Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, it's Georgia. So as you may already be able to tell in the thumbnail and the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a review on these Snapchat spectacles that I got for my birthday. So if you didn't see my previous vlog, which was my birthday vlog, make sure to go and check that out because this is when I got them, and I got them in Selfridges. So that will be linked down in the description down below if you haven't seen that video. So yeah, let's get into this video. So the first thing to start off is that we obviously open them up. So this is just like how they comes, like this, with this little like lid here. And then they come in this yellow like magnetic case here, which if you can see at the side here is where you charge it up. So you can actually just charge up the case and have that on charge for I think about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And you can take this out with you, no wire needed, and you can still charge your glasses on the go so that you won't need to carry around a charger with you. So this is what they look like when you first open them up. So then if we take this out, you've then got the actual glasses themselves. These are the Series 2 ones because the first ones that they didn't have like this shine to the front of them. It was just like plain matte black. So these are the new ones, and also they came in blue like this and also red like this, but I chose the black because the blue and the red wouldn't really go with anything I'd wear, and I probably wouldn't wear them. Also the black I probably would. So then you open it up and then you've got the little like Snapchat instruction guide here saying like how to pair them and go on to settings and stuff. And also it does come with a little lens wipe, which is quite good. And then on the back here is the actual charger that you charge them up with. So this just goes into the back of like a plug or like a USB port, and then on the side of the glasses here it just plugs in. This is magnetic as well and just plugs in like that. So now moving on to what the glasses actually do. So what you do here is that you tap on this side, should work, to see the battery percentage, and here it's a full circle, so that means I've got 100% charge in them. And also this little circle on the top here, you press that down for 3 seconds to take a photo, and then it flashes and then it's taken a photo. And then if you want to take a 10-second video, you just press down here and then it's recording and it's whirling around, and then you can just look around on like absolutely anything. You can hold it here, you can take selfies, and it is really good as well. And then if you want to take a snap longer than 10 seconds, you press it and then press it again. So then that could just go on for like 1 or 2 minutes, I think, like as long as you want on Snapchat. So yeah, that's what the glasses do, and I will insert now a few clips of what they actually do, like the photos and stuff, because you won't be able to see on this video here because you have to export it as a portrait or a landscape video. But if you go and add me on Snapchat, which my Snapchat is right here, GeorgiaP223, you will be able to see how you can rotate the phone and things, and because it takes it as a circle, because the glasses camera here is actually like a circle here, so it takes it like of everything, so you can like twist your phone and like see different things and that. So yeah, I'm just going to insert a few clips now for you to see what they do and how they look like. So yeah. So those were the few clips that you just saw. Make sure to comment down below any questions you have about them, or where they're available to buy, or like how much they were, anything like that. Just comment down below and I will reply. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to like the video and also subscribe down below if you're new. See you next time guys, bye.